Hello everyone. So we continue our lesson. So we need to open our project that we already saw previous one. Okay. Now this video I would like to explain more about the layer. So this one we call one layer, this one we call one layer, this one layer, this one layer, this one layer, and this one is one layer. This one layer for background, this is text. Okay, alright. And this is the part tool. When we click, you want to drawing. So practice. Learn Photoshop without practice, you cannot know and cannot do it. Okay, so you need to practice every day if you have time. So when you press the tab on the keyboard, tab, okay, like this we can view for the proof color. Sorry, we call the how say exercise. Tab. Okay, so just tab. I want to explain you. When you press the tab, you cannot see the tool and the layer, right? Like this. Okay. And when you want to zoom in, you need to Control Alt scroll in and out, right? Or you press Control minus and plus on the keyboard like this. When you press tab, it will show like this. If you don't know, you go to Window and Workspace and you can click like this. Okay, so remember the tool. Okay, this one also important. If you forget the first time, you need to forget. Everybody need to forget. Yeah, but when you do every day, you doesn't care whatever it lost or not lost. It doesn't matter for you. You just click tab or you go to the window and the workspace. It will become normal. So another one we call the layer F7. When you lost all, right, normally like this, press tab and go to the F7. When you do your artwork, only so like this in your artwork. We don't need another tool or another function. When you want to zoom in, zoom out, just Control and Alt. Yeah, Control Alt and mouse, scroll in, scroll up and down. Depend on you. Or Control minus and plus. This one we call the layer. Yeah, 1 layer, 2 layer, 3, 4, 5, 6. This one in Photoshop we call the layer. When you want to change the text color, zoom in, you need to press the T, or you need to tab, click on the T and select, and change the color here. Okay, another color here, and another color here. Depend on you when you if you want to change the color. So this is the we call the layer, and we change the color out the text. Don't forget select here, auto select. If you cannot, you don't choose this auto select. If you want to select here, cannot, right? So you need to see auto select. When you want to see, you move this one. Okay, you want to move this one, you want to move this one. If you don't select, cannot. Only one select, another one cannot select. And if you don't choose this one, you cannot see where is it. Okay, so first is the auto select. If you want to see where you select, you need to show the transform control. Alright, so this one you need to learn and you need to remember. When you see it's not difficult, right? You think that easy, but when you practice, it's more difficult for you. So that's why I recommend you to practice day by day. Okay, now you know about the text tool and the layer. When you want to click another layer, it will show you, yes, up and down. and this is the background, and you want to make it smaller, you just press T or you click T and you move down. And you want to make it smaller, you Control T, right? Control T. Remember, Control T, it means the paragraph. Paragraph, yeah. Control T, character and paragraph. So this one we need to see the call out the font size, and you want to see this one, you need to see all cap. So just click it, take out. Okay. So now you can see no more text. Okay, this one you can test yourself. 1, it's bold, right? 2 is the italic. 3rd is the capital. All is capital. Okay, see? Another one is the T like this. The letter is a capital on the front, another one is the capital but it's smaller. This one you can see this like this. Example, and I plus number 2. Example, I do the simple one, and number 2. When you click this one, okay, all right, this one like this. So you need to test yourself. And this one underline if you want to underline the text. Alright, if you want to across the text like this. So in Photoshop like this, or another one, you want to underline this one, right? You don't want to see to do this one, but if you want to underline, you cannot change the color. So we press another one, is the select tool or part tool. Just click and select like this. Click. Okay. Zoom out. Zoom in. Okay, this one, the change color here. Or another one, you just click here. Change the color. So one tool you need to remember. Practice. Okay, even the color overlay, I teach many times about the color overlay, so you need to understand. And also zoom in, zoom out, you need to practice yourself. Alright, and another one, I will tell you about the stroke. What is the stroke? So this one, we can say the hello, yeah. And you can find this one, the F8, you can see the stroke. Yeah, stroke. This one, the stroke, and the size of the stroke, and the color of the stroke, and inside or outside or center. This one, the black color side of the stroke. You can see the stroke. What is the meaning of the stroke? The stroke is the line outside the tape or inside the tape. Alright, this one outside, in center, and outside. Most normally we use the stroke is outside. This one, the color of the tape, the stroke. Alright. Yeah, tape and stroke different. This one we call it stroke, and this one the color of the tape, right? Just click color overlay and change the color overlay color. Okay. So now you understand about the color overlay and the stroke color. Two different. Alright? Yeah. One is color overlay. You want to change the color overlay. Another one is the stroke color and the size of the stroke. Okay. Whatever you want to change. Outside, inside, center, you need to test yourself. What it's showing. You like the outside or center or inside. So normally we use the outside color. This one opacity, you can see. Okay, opacity. Color like this. And another one is we call the shadow. Shadow. You can see the shadow. The size of the shadow. In Adobe Photoshop, when you learn, you need to practice like this. What going on? If we do like this, what going on? Okay, if we do like this, what going on? So you you already know about the shadow, but you need to practice yourself what is showing. I want to the not stronger shadow. How I can do? So you need to do test it. Okay, test yourself first. What's going on? Yes, this one. What? How? Okay, like this. You like it. Okay, like this, and like this. Can see? Yeah. So with this one, you need to practice yourself. Okay. This one. Is something wrong? What you can do right now? Reset default. Make default. Yeah, reset default. Like this, and do again. Okay. Make it smaller. Make it more stronger. Like this. Like this. Like that. Okay. Move up and down. Alright. So this lesson you need to know about the stroke, color overlay, and the shadow. And another one you need to test yourself. Alright. Inner, outside. What's the color inner and outer color, and also the like this. You need to practice yourself. Okay. And also color. We have the color and normal color, dark color. And stroke also we have the normal and the dark, and also color type, gradient, pattern. Yeah, there are many pattern. Pattern the grass, the water, like this. Gradient, color of the gradient. But your version will be different from me. But the same, the function is the same, not different. Okay, just click OK. That's it. So you already know about the type. I mean the stroke, shadow, and overlay color. Thank you for watching. See you in the video.